elves come in at night and sprinkle magic on these, or love or something, because here's one holding over 110 pounds of steel blocks. They're real strong. I don't know about you, but I can't pull 100 pounds with my fingers. Hey, it's Don Duran with NSI Solutions. Now, it's come to our attention that a few people have broken the triggers on their Seam Phantom 2.0 Deluxe. So this is a carbon fiber reinforced trigger. We've had over 100 pounds hanging on the tip of this thing. It's insanely strong. So if you've had trigger problems, let's get to it. This is our Seam Phantom 2.0 Deluxe from the shop next door. Clearly the trigger's not broken, but we're gonna go ahead and show you how to replace it anyway. When you buy the kit in our web store, it comes like this with 2 new pins, 2 new clips, and the trigger itself. That way when you shoot the clips across the shop, you don't have to worry about it. You have new ones. Now, the pins that hold it in, there's a head and a clip. You need to block it open with something like this little wood block that's roughly 1.25 inches to take the pressure off of the trigger. Basically hold the springs open. And you want to put it on the side with the clips because you're going to be pushing the pins out that way. So if we just stick that in there, that'll hold it open and take pressure off the trigger. I usually take a small screwdriver, hold one side of the clip with my finger, and then pry the clip off on the other side. That pin will fell right out. So that's the top one here. Now we're working on the bottom one. Same thing, hold one side, try and pry it out with the camera. There. Now to get that bottom pin out, you'll have to pry the spring down a little bit, and then you should be able to pull it right out. And now your trigger is loose. So the new trigger kits come with new pins and new E-clips. I usually use like a needle nose plier to pull those off. Set those aside. There's a trick that if you put the bottom pin in first, the short pin, you can push all this down so it's not in line with the springs. It'll just be out of the way of the springs. And then line that up. There we go. Grab your clip. Now you can lift the trigger and line up the top holes and use the long pin. Put in the second little E-clip. There we go. And then pull out your block. And you're back in business. Bob's your uncle. So there you go, a new Black Magic carbon fiber reinforced trigger on your Seam Phantom 2.0 Deluxe. It's a little fussy, a little fiddly. It's really hard to show that kind of stuff on camera, but it's just 2 pins and 2 little E-clips. Follow and subscribe for more videos, more repair videos, more videos on how to use your Seam Phantom. Tight lines.